What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. And in today's video we will be talking about a little truck that has a little gun on it. That was my first level thing that I made. So yeah, first thing is the gun. So how's the gun? Build the gun. First, we need one of these pieces. Second, you'll take one of these before green. Then you'll take one of these, put it right here. Then you take one of these pieces, put it right there. Take these two pieces, put them like that. Then you put them on like so. Then you have the gun. Then time for the car base. So you grab one of these, then grab all the tires and stuff. Then you'll put them to in total you'll need 4 tires. So put them in like so. While I'm putting this stuff together, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button and the share button that help me out so I can get, and my goal is to hit 100 subscribers by the end of the year. Yeah, so for this we have right now, then now we have this. You will take this, put it right there, take one of these, put it right here. Let me just find a piece real quick. Find this piece, put it right on there like that. Then you take this piece, put it on like that. Then you take this piece, put it on right there. Wait, no, sorry, wait, do you put that piece on this? Oh yeah, you do put that piece on. Then you take this, put that like that. Then you take this piece, attach one of these to it. Wait, no, sorry, let me quickly see what it is. Okay, I actually have to leave it like this. Then you take these 2 red pieces, put them in the back like this, and then take this piece, put it on like that. Then take that piece, put it on right there. Take this piece right there. This, wait, no. Hold on, sorry guys. I did something that I wasn't supposed to. Take these 2 pieces. So I guess something fell off. Then take these 2 pieces and put them right here like that. And then it should look like this right now. And should take one of these and these, put these on right here. Then you take your big piece, put it on right there, and it should look like this. Then you take one of these, then put it on like this. Got my American Lego figure. See if it goes on. Go in. And yes, you can. Driving like that. And then once you have this like that, then you will take this piece, put it on right there, then put it on like that. And then after that, take another one of these, put it on right there. Wait, no, sorry guys, don't do that. I got it. You gotta, yeah, you put this piece right here, then take this piece. Sorry guys, something pops up on the screen. Take it like that. Take one of these, put it on like that. Then take one of these pieces. Then, because I don't have a little piece, I have to use this. Then you take one of these. Then it's like that. Then take these two pieces. Wait, sorry guys, don't do that if you're doing it. Take this piece, put it like that, and you take these pieces, put it on like that. So it look like this so far. Then on the inside, you should grab some pieces for the inside. First, you'll take a light green, put it on right there. Then you take a normal green, which I'm using usually. Put it on right there. Then you take one of these greens, then put it on right there. And you take these two pieces and you put it on the back, like right here. Then you take one of these, like that. Then take one of these, then put it like that to show like a piece got messy in battle. So yeah, guys, this is what it should look like right now. Part 2 will be coming out right after this one, so make sure to look at that. It'll be these videos will be posted. Yeah, it will be posted after this one, so and same day. Bye.